The top 1% of agents don't chase leads, they attract them. Now, before you cancel out on this video, at least stay with me for this first little story I have for you. A couple years ago, I was at a point in my business where I started to feel burnt out. I had been cold calling literally 100 to 150 people a day for the last several months and was wondering how long I could keep that up. Until one fine spring day, I was golfing at Hobble Creek in Springville, Utah, one of the most gorgeous courses in Utah. I'm literally riding my golf cart, rounding hole 8, and I check my DMs and see, hey man, I've been following your content for the past several months. I've got a deal I want to run by you. That DM turned into a partnership in a $30,000 commission. We've since done multiple deals and 6 figures plus in commission from this one partnership, all from social media. And this is one story of many since then. I've closed deals from the airports, from hotels, literally out of country with my family, because social media has become my #1 lead source, and it can be yours too. If we haven't met, I'm Tanner Litchfield. I'm a real estate investor and realtor here in Utah. I specialize in creative financing and I help investors build long-term wealth, and I've built that whole business by sharing what I do online. This video is for anyone in real estate who wants more leads without paying for ads, cold calling strangers, or relying on a broker to feed them. I'm gonna show you exactly how I use social media to attract inbound leads from regular home buyers to investors and many in between. So let's dive in. Now, if you're in real estate, you know the grind I'm talking about. Dialing through cold leads who don't wanna talk to you, hosting open houses for strangers who never call back, or maybe even no one shows up at the open houses, posting new just listed graphics every week, hoping this one finally gets traction. I completely get it. And if you're anything like I was, you're starting to feel it. The burnout, the constant pressure to do more, post more, prospect more, just to stay relevant. But here's the thing. The agents and investors who truly are winning right now, they're not chasing strangers. They're attracting their people, and they're doing it through consistent, intentional content. Here's the exact framework I follow to generate leads online without being salesy or annoying. Number 1, and probably one of the most important aspects to all of this, is niche down your content. Don't try and talk to everyone. I specifically focus on the real estate investing side, so everything I post speaks directly to them. This builds trust fast because I'm not just generic. I'm not throwing just sold or just listed signs out there. I have an expertise that people trust. Number 2, educate through real stories. I don't just share tips. I show the behind the scenes of actual deals, how I structured seller financing deals, what went wrong on a sub 2 deal. I lost 180K on one, right? Like, if you followed me for some time, you've seen that story. How I've helped a client with a 1031 into a bigger property or more properties. These stories make people feel like they're already know who they're working with, and by the time they DM me, they're halfway sold because they halfway trust me, right? So number 3, stay consistent. This is like, no one's gonna be perfect at this. I totally get it, but consistency is absolutely crucial in this. Posting 3 to 5 times a week, reels, carousels, YouTube videos. Some go viral, mine usually don't, but I'm consistent. Some flop, that's usually more of my lane. It doesn't matter, stay on top of it. Stay top of mind. That's really what matters. Number 4 is engage in the DMs. Don't just post and ghost, right? Every comment and DM is a potential lead. Ask questions, send voice notes, build real connections. This isn't a quick win game, but if you commit to this for 90 days, it'll change the way you do business. Guys, I will reiterate that. Do something that you can commit to for 90 days, whether it's posting twice a week, 3 times a week, whatever it might be. The whole concept of this video is that there are better ways to prospect that don't cause so much burnout. I'm a huge advocate for cold calling and the prospecting methods at the beginning of your career to get you off the ground. But here's the thing. I didn't get into real estate just to work more. I wanted freedom, time to be with my wife, Morgan, time to be with my daughter, Gigi, as she grows up, time to play a round of golf on a Tuesday afternoon if I want to, the freedom behind it. Social media has let me build a pipeline that works while I live my life, and that cold calls and open houses could never give me. I want you to know that this is not easy, but what it can do to your life will actually be monumental. So if you want help with this, please follow my content. Let this be a guide, subscribe, and I promise you'll be seeing more content from me as I continue to build out my journey. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you on the next video.